All right, all right, all right. Let's do this. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Let me just bounce over here to Facebook, make sure that everything is good to go. Hey, there I am. Okay, wonderful. Audio, boom, shakalaka. All right, cool beans. Let me just move this a little bit this way so you guys can hear me maybe a little bit better. Let me know who you are and where you're watching from here today. And I'm going to rock and roll into this here relatively quickly. But like I said, if you want to let me know who you are and where you're watching from in the comments, feel free to do so. I labeled or titled this webinar, "What is SmartMonics?" It's freaking amazing, is what it is. SmartMonics is actually an iteration of what we have been doing, guys, for years and years and years. I'm just gonna show this to you. I'm gonna let you in on a little, a little behind the scenes magic, and I'm just going to give you some information on how this can, right, revolutionize some stuff. And I know it's done in my life and maybe in your life. Doak, how you doing, my friend? Welcome, welcome, welcome. And anybody else that wants to say hello, let me know. All right, so let me go ahead and jump into this because I want to take this too long, guys. I just want to give you some details, guys, because we are crushing it. Hello, Bobby. We're crushing it, right? 5,500 people right now in our team, and success all over the place, right? No guarantee of income, guys. No guarantee of money, right? You can do better, you can do worse, but you've got, this is a skill that you can learn that you can absolutely revolutionize right here and other things in your life as well. All right, let's do this. Let me go ahead and share my screen, and let's do this, and let's do this. All right, hopefully you guys can see my screen here. Let me just bounce back over to Facebook real quick, make sure that we are good to go. So what this is entitled, let me just click on, there we go, and boom. Okay, so you're seeing both me and that. I'm actually gonna do this. So we're gonna just do this, and you don't need to see me. Actually, you see me in the lower. There we go. All right, let me see if I click on slideshow, if that's any better. Boom, it should be bigger for you now. All right, so let me go ahead and see if that worked before I go ahead and continue with these slides. It is still showing the same up on Facebook. It's okay. All right, let's go ahead and there it goes. Okay, had a little bit of a lag. All right, cool beans, here we go. So let me go ahead and give you some of the awesomeness. All right, so it says thank you and welcome. Yes, I'm going to give you a bonus at the end of this as far as that goes. So before I get into all the what is SmartMonics and all that stuff, guys, I want you to know, right, that we are successful. If you're looking for a way to have more success in your life, right, again, not a guarantee of income, you can come in here and obviously learn this skill. That's what we've done since 2017, guys. It just was our 6-year anniversary, right? Just a couple of weeks ago, actually March 7th, 1 week ago today was my 6-year anniversary doing this. So you wouldn't be doing something for 6 years if it didn't work, right? And this works with, by the way, over 5,500 people in our team. So this works, obviously. So by the way, because we're not able to talk about money or percentages or anything of that nature, we want to obviously respect people's anonymity as far as that goes as well. You have to block out the percentages and people's names and all that stuff. So anyway, this person, right, managed to get that much percent on his account last week with 62% win rate using SmartMonics with the ATH. By the way, the ATH is our proprietary indicator we give to our team for free as long as you're a member of our team, right? This one right here, yesterday, I was on over 6 SmartMonics trades, all profitable. I've never won so much in my life or in one day. How awesome is that? Dean says, over the last 2 days, I placed 3 trades using SmartMonics. I won all 3. Now, is that going to guarantee you're going to win every trade? Absolutely not. We still lose trades, but this absolutely crushes it. And look at all the success. Guys, I take screenshots every single day. One of the things, I'm on live 6 days a week, guys, with our team, right? And I take screenshots every single day. This is just 2 days of examples of some of the screenshots. I'm not going to take time to read all through these, but the success that we're having is absolutely insane. So what is SmartMonics? SmartMonics is a trading strategy that we combine the profitability of harmonic patterns that have been used in the markets for decades, with the accuracy of smart money concepts. In case you guys don't know what either one of those are, it's okay, we'll teach you, right? But the harmonic patterns are what we call, they're based on Fibonacci, all right? Fibonacci numbers, which is also called God's math, right? If you look at a beautiful blooming rose, it actually has Fibonacci numbers in that rose. And smart money concepts have been proven to work. We've proven them to work for years and years and years now, guys. This just combines both of those two things, which makes an amazing strategy. So this is the harmonic scanner. This is a proprietary software that you get when you become a member of our team, right? It'll scan the market for you 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, for high probability trades and opportunities, right? And when to get into those trades. So what this does really is, there's a whole bunch of pairs, in case you are brand new. There's a whole bunch of pairs in the Forex market. And by the way, this works on everything. This works on crypto and metals and indices and Forex. We primarily focus on Forex because it's where the most money is, right? 5.3 to 6.5 trillion dollars a day are transacted on the Forex, okay? So what this does is this brings our eyes to the correct charts. That's what this does. Right? So you don't want to be looking at all of these charts and having to stare at your computer 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and neither do I, right? We give these harmonic patterns, and these harmonic patterns come to us actually through our Discord channel that gives us what pairs to look at, when to look at them. So you don't have to be in front of your computer 24/7. You can obviously go through and do it right through the harmonic scanner, right? It's been a flagship strategy scanner for the last 10 plus years. It is proprietary to Team Abundance and IM Mastery Academy, a powerful algorithmic utilizing Fibonacci ratios, as I just said, God's math to define precise turning points in the market. Works on all time frames, already mentioned this, all major asset classes, all market possibilities right at your fingertips, right? So number one, you're going to select the time frame. When we go through all this in our training, I'm not going to go very in depth on this. I want to be respectful of your time, like I said, but you have the time frame. So you have the 15-minute, the 30-minute, the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. You select your asset class right over here. You can go through Forex. You have exotics over here as well, right? You have the indices and also commodities like gold and silver and copper, okay? Natural gas in here as well, right? Then you select the pair from the most recent, right? Ones here, these are the most recent scans over here, and then check the goal level with your potential take profit area in that zone. And we actually have indicators in here as well that line up. And when they line up, you have a much higher chance of having a successful trade as far as that goes. All right, so let me go on to the next one. With over 100 plus scans generated weekly throughout all major market sessions, the opportunities are endless without a doubt. Combined with an ideal risk to reward, which is what smart money gives you, right? SMARTMONICS is just smart money in a more objective package, right? 1 to 2 or greater per scan. You'll feel twice as confident in the market, right? While powerful, it is not perfect, right? Every opportunity provided is not the opportunity to take. We work within the law of probabilities, identifying the right opportunities to take, or reduce our risk and maximize our rewards. So like I just said, we don't win every trade, guys, but guess what? You don't have to. If you're doing 1 to 2s, which means for every 1% that you risk, you gain 2% in your account in every winning trade. Even if you're winning 50% of your trades, you are killing it, okay? And you can do this just by doing that, right? We gain confidence by collecting confirmations. Those are the indicators that I talked about before. By layering in the scans with those smart money concepts, which again, we've been doing since 2019, right? We're able to easily pick pairs that are perfect for us to trade. So meet SMARTMONICS. And guys, this is brand new. This just came out a few months ago, where it's combined the amazingness of smart money, which again, takes a little bit of time to really nail down for a lot of people. But because we are marrying it with a harmonic scanner now, it is in no time flat, absolutely crushing it. A simple 3-step strategy that combines the profitability of the harmonic patterns with the accuracy of smart money concepts. Now, I'm not going to go through, all these different things, like what's the fair value mean and what's imbalance mean and all that stuff. Just understand that the harmonic scans seek balance, right? what they do is Smart Money Concept seeks to liquidate retail trading volume. Okay, so that's what the smart money is based on. Okay, and then these concepts combined, right, forms an amazing market idea. So once it's in that zone and you have those smart money concepts lined up with the indicators, it gives a very high probability trade. Look at this 94% win rate. Now, do we win every trade? Nope, but it wins a bunch, right? This is 94% win rate, documented. Documentation beats conversation. Without a doubt, again, no guarantee of income, right? No guarantee of you having, right, anything more or anything less. The point is that you need to train your brain and train your eyes, and you can do this too, right? It's just all about that. So why is SmartMonics so unique, right? It is a 3-step strategy. That's it, right? If you can count 1, 2, 3, you can do this, right? You can do this. Plus, not only is it a simple strategy, but we are helping people 6 days a week to get it down, answering questions. Matter of fact, we were on a session today, and one of the people on the session says, how can you guys come on here 6 days a week and be so energetic and be answering the same questions and be helping people? Because that's what we love to do. And because it's simple, right? So 3 steps. Number 1, the entry zone, right? You're going to have ideal entry zones that favor larger moves in the market, which is obviously what you want to get those great risk to rewards. You're going to have an entry candle, which identifies specific candles that signal market is ready to move in a direction you want it to go, right? You're going to have the entry price. You have the exact entry price levels for minimal drawdown and maximum pip. So very simple 3-step strategy, right? It is low risk, high reward setups, right? So we never risk more than 2% of our accounts. What I teach every single week on Saturday, what we teach throughout our training, right? You're going to have strict entry price. You're going to have those tight stop losses. When you have those tight stop losses, like you guys see me post on a regular basis, right? I get tight stop losses because of this strategy and knowing how smart money works, and then multiple take profits. Each one of these, right, has a minimum of 3 take profit zones that you can go for. Multiple take profits, generally 50 pips or greater on Forex pairs, right? So traders follow our Forex growth plan where you're going to set goals. You're going to input your starting balance. We actually have this sheet. You're going to be given, right, this Google sheet so you can input all your information in here and track exactly how you're doing, right? Track performance with your win-loss percentage, your pips gained, custom metrics, right? So you have your risk to reward. Okay, we give this all to you guys once you become a member of our team. It doesn't cost you anything more as far as that goes. And then dynamic SmartMonic trade ideas. You have the swing potential, right? That's what the scans are about. The scans are typically at major reversals or swing levels. You have intraday setups, right? Which is what I am. I'm an intraday trader. Strategies that typically are, for the daily gains. And then scalping entries, if you want to go down to those lower time frames, those are available for you as well. So what is our SmartMonics community focus? Guys, we are here to educate you. We are here to educate you. We're here to show you how to go into the market, right? And absolutely crush it. That's what we're here to do. So we are heavy on education. We are not a signal service, right? We are heavy on education. We focus on building independent traders, right, who execute and give them the ability, right, to absolutely, like I said, crush the markets, run 6 live analysis per week, right? Actually, we are live 6 days a week, and then we have an educator who is live 3 days a week as well. So it's actually 9 different sessions you can get on, right? And they're all recorded, by the way, so you don't have to be on exactly when we're on, but we are there helping people every single day, right? Provide chart markups for the week to follow, document and review all of our ideas, right? Pretty darn awesome. So there's a bunch of different bonus content you're going to have access to once you become a member of the team, including there's a whole board section for the fast start when you get in here. There's a whole website for it as well, a whole chat channel for this. I mean, the support is just insane, right? It is absolutely insane. Speaking of insane, a couple of more, testimonies as far as that goes. Because it's not just me, guys. You see what I do. Like I have so many screenshots of trades that I don't even put up online anymore because you guys all know that I do this. But I want you to know that other people are doing this. It's not just me, and that you can do this too. The strategy is absolutely unbelievable. That much percentage, says Tom this morning, and I didn't even finish my first cup of coffee. Boom, done trading for the week. My friend Emmy, who is always crushing it. I'm having amazing success with this so far. This indicator is seriously on another level. It works. Simon says, I used to be in another group. We maybe got 2 or 3 people who shared a win, and it was always a 1-to-1. This team is on another level. Absolutely amazing. Gus, been here about 3 months. I knew absolutely nothing about trading. Michael and his team are unbelievable. Guidance every step of the way. Brandon, I just finished up today's recording. I seriously don't know what else this leadership team could do to help us learn this skill. The time and knowledge that they dedicate to us is absolutely unmatched. My wife even said to me, I can see such a different drive and passion in you since you joined this group. I'm so thankful for all you guys do, and we are thankful for you too, Brandon. So let's just go over the value first, right? So you saw all of the awesomeness. And by the way, what I showed you is just one part of what we do. So we have obviously the private trading community, 5,500 people in our team, ladies and gentlemen. Started in 2017, been doing this for over 6 years. So easily $1,000 value for that, right? The ATH indicator, right, which is our proprietary indicator that we give to our team members for free. This is a $15,000 indicator that we give to our team members for free. It's a $200 value minimum, okay? Step-by-step training videos, at least a $500 value. We have a whole website just for our team guys that you'll go through to get this information. And obviously we are on live as well on those sessions. 6 live sessions, just talked about $1,000 value, okay? Access to all the recordings. So not only are you going to be able to get on the lives if you want to, you can watch the recordings if you're at work or you're not able to jump on the lives. Bam, another $500 value, right? Zones marked up for you, another $500 value, showing you what zones we are looking at for when price comes into to be looking for that SMARTMONICS strategy and those 3 steps. Okay, very simple. Access to the Google Journal I just showed you, all right? Easily $100 value. Journal reviews, right? The leaders of this team, including myself and Michael and David and Jay, will actually look at your journals to be like, okay, you're doing this right. Yeah, you're not doing this quite right, and help you. Okay, because guys, this is all about helping you. That's what this is all about. And then we do a weekly outlook every single week where we go through and look at the pairs and give you our outlook for that week. So total $6,300, right? And if you had to pay $6,300, it would still be freaking worth it, without a doubt. I mean, look at this, 5,500 members. This is a little bit outdated. It's actually over 5,500 people in our team right now. That's nuts, right? If you had to pay $6,300, and I'm a member, right? Every single month I pay my membership. So if I had to pay that, it'd be worth it. But thank goodness I do not. As a matter of fact, you're not going to even pay a tenth of that, right? Actually, to be able to get started right now, $249.95. I mean, that is such a huge value. Absolutely insane as far as the value goes. And then once you are a member, right, you get everything added to you. So you pay the $249.95 as your initial fee, and then they drop the monthly. This is a monthly membership. So 28 days later, and every 28 days thereafter, it's $184.95. There's also a way, by the way, once you're in the team, that we can show you how to get the monthly part for zero, right? It's very, very simple. My buddy David does a webinar every Saturday. It shows you exactly how to do it. It's very simple. But again, the first step you need to do is get in here. Austin says, I generally believe this team is the best one could ever find. Leaders who are genuinely care about their team, who are actively practicing what they're preaching, and a family of people who are dedicated, supportive, and eager to help. What a blessing it truly is to be around so many amazing people. And guys, I'm nothing special, right? I'm just me. You guys know me. But here's this team, this group of people that we put together is that special. Plus, there's a 7-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like what you see for whatever reason, you get in here, it doesn't work for you or whatever. And again, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, guys. You've got to learn what we teach you, right? And you can do this. We're here to help you every single step of the way. So 7-day money-back guarantee as well. All right, so that is what I wanted to show you. Let me bounce out of here. If you guys have questions, feel free to put it in the chat. I'll be more than happy to say hello. Oh, look at that. Emmy. Just talking about you. I'm sure your ears are ringing. Thanks, Johnny. Appreciate it, brother. Tara's in the house as well. Cool beans, guys. So if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the Q&A. Now, So let's say you're ready to get started. You're like, man, Jason, this looks awesome, right? This is what I was looking for. Maybe you got laid off from your job. Maybe you're looking for an extra stream of income, whatever it is, guys, right? Again, there is no guarantees of income here, but here's what I can tell you. This can absolutely be your answer if you decide to put the effort in. And that's what we're here to help you do. I will help you every single step of the way to help your dreams come true. But you have to put in the work as well. All right. So, hey, Mike. Mike Smart is here as well. All right. So here's the deal. Does this work for futures? Absolutely. Try. Absolutely. No matter what the asset class, no matter what the indice, metal, crypto, Forex, futures, stocks, right? This works for every single thing that you can do. If it has a chart, you can use what I just showed you on that. So it absolutely works for that. Now, so let's say you're ready to get started. Cool. Here's what I want you to do. Send me a message, right? Send me a message and be like, Jason, that looks freaking amazing. I want to get started now. Because the faster you get in here, the faster you start learning. Again, you have that 7-day money back guarantee. You can be hitting the ground and running. Let's say you're not quite ready to make that decision. Well, guess what? We have a free training that starts right around the corner. So if you're not ready to make that decision yet, which by the way, when the free training, you just get access to our live sessions. You don't get the whole thing, right? You don't get the harmonic scanner and the Discord and the Facebook group and the website and all the other stuff that we do, right? You get to be a fly on the wall for our live session. So whether you want to be a part of the team right away, which is cool, I obviously would recommend that, or right, you want to be a part of the next free training, send me a message, right? The best way to get in contact with me is right here through Facebook. If you watch us on YouTube, just go to facebook.com/supersizeyourlife or facebook.com/Jason Michael Hull, and I'll be happy to give you all the information you ever could possibly want, and you can see if this is for you. Matter of fact, Mike Smurr just said it's a great team. I would 100% agree there, my friend. All right, let me stop sharing this. Okay, so that is what I have for you guys today. So one of two options, right? Get started right away. Send me a message, right? And by the way, if you're watching this on somebody else's page, one of my team members or somebody that I'm linked with is sharing this with you, get back in touch with them. Okay, so if you're seeing this on somebody else's page, obviously you want to get back in touch with them to get all the details. Okay. If you are watching this on my personal page, right here on Facebook or YouTube or wherever else I decide to put this, feel free to get back in touch with me. Whether you want to get started right away and hit the ground running, or whether you want to kind of dip your toe in and just go ahead and be able to do that free training first. Either way, send me a message and I'll be here to help you. All right. Emmy says, sign up. It'll be the best decision you ever make. We had a bunch of people in the session today say that. I'm not sure if Emmy was one of them. I know she was on there because she is absolutely amazing. She says, sign up. It'll be the best decision you ever made. My awesome friend Tara says, amazing community and education. Melissa, a friend, says, best team ever. I'll be seeing Melissa in a little bit here as well. It works for everything that has a chart, says Emmy as well. All right, guys, I got to bounce. Got a ton of stuff to do today. Z is barking in the background. I appreciate you all. Send me a message so that you can change your life as well. Be blessed, everybody. Bye for now.